Alright, today we're going to replace the burner assembly on an A.O. Smith Proline commercial grade water heater. Burner's in there, pretty easy job. Screw there, 1/4 inch nut driver. One on the other side, same thing. You do have to, undo all these control thermocouple wires, the gas, and the pilot. It's pretty easy with a wrench. Got the replacement right here. Start with that. Take that off. Disconnect the igniter. Next. Alright, one here. Let's get to the other one. A little bit of a tight squeeze here. Kind of installed it in a tight corner. Got the gas line in the way, but we'll be able to get it out. Alright, let's get this guy Oh yeah, look at that. Tear, it's all green and oxidized. Big old tear there. It was giving me the 6 flash replace burner. You pull it out and you see that gasket and everything. Alright, let's put the new one in. So to install the new burner, you pretty much just do everything the same way you did, just opposite. Get the burner assembly in, slide it in there, try not to bend the pilot tube too much, get all the wires out of the way, and try not to hit the screen too much either. Once you get it in, get your 2 holes lined up on each side and put your screws back in. That's what we're going to do next. The only thing you have to reuse from the old assembly is the main gas line here, which is just attached by a screw. So we just got to take that off and put it on there. That's what we're going to do next. Alright, once you have that installed, you need to slide the clip under there, get your screw in. You can start, what I usually do first is, for the pilot tube, you gotta put your brass fitting there on there first. So that's gonna be the next step. Alright, take this, it comes with the burner assembly. just slide it on there. When you put this in the pilot tube there, you want to get the pilot tube in as far as you can until you hit something, and raise your fleet tire. Tighten it as tight as you can while pushing up on the pilot tube. Alright, so we're gonna put that in. Alright, so we've got our pilot tubing nice and tight, gas line nice and tight. After that, you can connect all your wires. This one there. This one goes underneath here. And then your igniter connects into there. Alright, got everything connected. Screws in, gasket's all good. Got our main gas line, all our wires. And now we're gonna light our pilot. Alright, we're holding down. Up there, you can see. Wait for your light to come on. There it is. And let's set it to our temperature. Nice. Another easy job.